What is going on, guys? Welcome in today's video on how to download the game Monaco 2 on your PC. So the first step is of course open your Google browser, and before we start I would like to ask you to subscribe to our channel and like the video. Once you have done that, you can go to the search bar, and we need to locate this game first on Steam before we can proceed to another website. So follow these steps and you will be set up within a couple of minutes. Go to the Steam website, search up the game Monaco 2, and as you can see, if you scroll a little bit down, this game is €24.50. But don't worry, we got a little workaround. What you need to do is go to the link in the video description which says find game here, and you will be redirected to this page. Now what you can do is search up the game Monaco 2 and after that search for it. Now you will find a version which can be activated in our country, including the PC version. Now once you have found one, select it, and as you can see, we can buy this game for just €14.34 instead of €24.50. This will save you a lot of money while downloading games online. So once you have purchased this game, you will receive an email confirmation with all the steps to follow, including an activation key to activate this game through Steam and download it on your PC, but much cheaper. And this is how you save yourself a bit of money while downloading games online. Hopefully this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we would love to see you in our next tutorial. Cheers guys!